test cases once QA build got, so once executing now you found any deviation, simply you log a bug. Okay,
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
to log a bug now? In the tool is there some Jira, some TFS, some so many tools are there. So as of now, in the Excel, how to log a bug we can discuss. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So did you check my remaining the test cases I did yesterday? Was they good?
Yeah, this test case is good.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I already tested now. All are tested. Everything is good. Okay.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Mhm.
Bug. How to log a bug. Okay.
Yeah,
So in the test cases, these fields is required, right? See,
yeah.
and average. Okay. In the test cases, this column names is okay there. Model scenario test type. Okay. So you can apply something like so. Apply colors like the look and feel. Okay.
Yeah.
Select any light color something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And apply borders. You know Excel right? Somewhat. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Look and feel.
Yeah.
When compared to this one is looks right somewhat. This is colors like okay.
Font size, alignment. Yeah.
You can check that one also. That is also one of the important. Okay. Okay. So for for log a bug na
Yeah.
bug ID. Okay. So
Yeah.
as of now 1 2 3 in the tool na tool will give the ID. Okay.
Okay.
As of now this is a bug ID. For example, one something. Okay. Bug ID.
Yeah.
Okay. And bug
Title.
title means so brief discussion about the bug, not lengthy. Okay, brief
Yeah.
discussion,
Mm-hmm.
very short length. Okay, as soon as okay,
Yeah.
okay. For example, so this first name is not available. The error message not showing. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Invalid error message for invalid error message for first name field. Okay,
Yeah.
so very short name. Okay, so based on the title, developer any end user understand. So invalid error message for okay, this message is saying about first name error message is wrong. Okay,
Yeah.
brief discussion about the bug. Okay, bug title. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and test steps. Steps do to show the bug now. These are the step. Okay,
Yeah.
launch browser, navigate URL like that. Okay,
Yeah.
navigate URL.
URL.
Okay,
Yeah.
and select sign in button, right?
Yeah.
Create select sign in
Signing button.
button and the third step is then select create an account. Okay, and fourth step is select myself, right?
Yeah.
Select create an account and myself, that is your wish. Okay, and myself link. Okay,
Yeah.
and select next
Next.
button, right?
Next button. Yeah.
Without entering data, right? Required data something. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the test steps, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, actual results. Okay, actual, what is the actual
Error
application?
message.
Application. 1 minute. So actually, error message not showing. Okay.
Mhm.
Actual. Okay. This is a bug. Okay. What is your expectation? Expected. So application should display. Application.
Should display the login.
Display the valid error message.
Messages.
You got it, Masuma? This is the actually not showing, but expected. This is should be show. Okay.
Yeah.
And status is there, and screenshot is there. Screenshot now. How to take screenshot? This is the, for example, this error message not showing. You take screenshot, right?
Yeah.
How to take screenshot? You know snipping tool.
Snipping tool. Okay.
Click select any snipping tool. Okay.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Select new,
Uh-huh.
and then you select the entire thing or your
Okay.
wish. Okay.
Yeah.
And okay. And
Mhm.
this is a highlighter. Something is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Not showing. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Otherwise, pen is there. Okay. Round off. Not showing. Okay. Save
Okay.
this one. Save and attach that in the tool. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Status and screenshot. You found you like any notes now?
Yeah.
Any any notes you provide, any information, other information you can also provide any other information like that. Otherwise, not required. Comments. Okay. Provide any comments. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, right? So here important part, as of now you understand how to log a bug. These are
Yeah.
the main steps available to find a log a bug.
Yeah.
To identify the bug na. So
Mhm.
simply log a bug. As of now you writing the bug in the Excel sheet. So I will in the future I will show in the tool. Okay, same steps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but tool I will explain. So this is the but here important is status. So you log a bug, right? What is the status of that bug? So when creating a new bug, right, status is new. Okay, you found a bug, right?
Yeah.
You log a bug, right? At the time of status is bug. Okay, new.
New.
Okay. And tester. Tester. You are the tester, right? Your name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Tester name and
Screenshot.
no, screenshot already is there. Tester and some assignee is there. Means
Yeah. Developer.
Developer. So for example, you know who developed this feature. Simply assign this bug to respective dev team.
Yeah.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
So many developers are there. You know. So you are in the sprint planning, right? You know who is the
Yeah.
developer. Everything you know. You daily connect the stand-ups, right? So they will explain what currently I'm doing like that, na.
Yeah.
So you know. So simply assign that bug to
Assign to the developer.
developer. Name is there, right? Okay.
Mhm.
One. This is your name automatically came. You
Yeah.
are logging the bug, right? In the tool, automatically your name came here.
Yeah.
But you assign in so many persons are there in the dev team. So you can select that particular person and assign that bug. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing. Yeah. But severity, priority, two things are there. Okay.
Yeah.
Severity means
How
this.
severe it is.
Se-
How important.
what is so using this bug? What is the severity? Okay.
Yeah.
But what is the severity of the bug
Bug. Mhm.
application? Okay.
Yeah.
This is the okay maximum low. Low means very basic. Okay. This is small things. Okay.
Okay.
Low, medium. Medium is somewhat. Okay.
Yeah.
Low, medium, high. Okay.
Yeah.
High. Okay. Blocker. These are the someone L1, L2, L3, L4. Okay. Someone 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Yeah.
Low
Mhm.
means very low severity. This is a
Basic.
bug. Okay. Without
Yeah.
bug, there is no business impact. Okay. That is called a low severity. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So login is failed. You enter in valid email, valid password, then it's not showing. That is a somewhat high, right? Not
Yeah.
a blocker, right? That is a login is failing. So that is a high, not a blocker. Okay.
Yeah.
So site is also not opening. That is a blocker, right?
Yeah.
If database connectivity is there, nothing. We don't do anything. That is a blocker. You got it right? Low
Yeah.
means very minimal.
Basic.
Okay, basic. Okay, medium na somewhat. Okay, medium.
Yeah.
High na block the somewhat blocker. Okay,
Yeah.
blocker means don't do anything
Yeah.
without fixing. But we don't do anything. That is a blocker. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. You fix this. You put this severity. Okay,
Yeah.
based on your testing knowledge, you put a severity low, medium. So maximum we put medium. Okay, so sometime we put high also. Very blocker test cases now blocker also. Okay, in the and average we are writing that is we log a bug in the medium. Okay,
Yeah.
priority. Okay, so this is the develop team will set a priority, not your responsibility to put a priority. Got it
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Severity, you are the responsibility to automatically medium. Okay, otherwise you put a severity high, low, medium like that. Okay, but
Yeah.
developer will fix. Okay, P1, other P1, P2, low, medium. That is okay. In our organization, P1, P2, P3, P4. This many four priorities available. So developer is responsible to set the priority. Why? Okay. So four bugs are there. Okay, for example. Okay, okay. Developer set priority for this is the P1, this is the P2, this is the P3, this is the P4. Based on the priority, fix the bug. So for
Yeah.
example, once this issue fixed now, automatically these two issues are fixed now. That is the first priority is P1 priority is third test case. You got it right?
Yeah.
So four bugs are open. Okay, developer fix the priority. Which bug is first priority? First one or
Okay.
second one, third one, fourth one. So first work on that. That is the priority. P1, P2, P3, P4.
Yeah.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it right?
Yeah.
You understand what is severity, what is priority? Severity means what is the impact of the current build.
Yeah.
This bug, okay, this bug, what is the blocker in the current build? That is a severity. QA people is responsible to set the
The
severity,
severity, yeah.
but priority is there. But priority not responsibility to set a priority as a QA people. Only developer will set a priority. So 5, some bugs are open. So developer, which one is the priority based on the set priority and work on that bug. Got it?
Yeah.
That's it. This is the bugs. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. One. But something here, that is the status is right.
Yeah.
Status. Okay? Once you log a new bug, right? At the time of the status is
New.
new. Okay. Once developer check the bug, right? Off. Once you log a bug, na, you assign bug, right? Developer, right? So
Yeah.
automatically send a mail to developer. Okay.
Yeah.
So developer check that mail, check
Yeah.
that bug. Valid, na, this bug is valid. Then what is the status?
Pending.
No, this time open. Okay.
Okay.
Status
Open.
open. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. 1 minute. Nishma.
Okay.
Yeah. So you log a bug first time na, that is the status is new.
New.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then development team you log a bug. Dev team is there, right? Here.
Yeah.
Dev team. Okay. Dev. QA. That is QA, right?
Yeah.
We identify the bug, right? Not a responsibility to QA. We identify the bug and at the time of status is new, and this bug go to developer. Developer accept that bug na, accept. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
The bug is open. Status.
status is that bug status is
Open.
not new, open.
Yeah.
Status will be changed to
Okay.
open. Okay, not new. Okay.
Yeah.
Then if developer reject na, if yes or no, right? Sometimes developers also reject the bug, right? This is not a bug. This is as expected something, right? Okay.
Yeah.
If na, again it move to simply at the time of status is simply move to QA. Okay. But the status will be
Rejected.
status should be. So when log a bug at the time of status is new, developer as of the bug status change to open. If
Yeah.
developer reject that bug na, status will be reject.
Yeah.
Okay. If open na, if
Yeah.
open after some time developer fix that bug, right?
Yeah.
After fixing the bug, what is the status?
Fixed.
Yeah, fixed. Okay.
Yeah.
Fixed. After fixing the bug, na, status change it to fixed. So again, QA check that bug, right?
Yeah.
Again, this bug to goes to QA team, not a dev team. Why?
To
People are tested. You need to
test.
responsibility to test the
Yeah.
bug, right? Again,
Yeah.
go to QA. Again, test the bug. If issue fix na close. Okay.
Yeah.
If issue fix na close, otherwise reopen the bug. Okay. I
Yeah.
will show that image here. Na? That is called a bug life cycle. Bug life cycle. Okay.
Yeah.
Bug life. So you find a bug right in the time first time, the status will be new.
New.
Okay.
Mhm.
Then assign that bug to respond to Dev engineer.
Developer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then the developer open that, if
Bug.
accepted now status should be done. Otherwise reject, duplicate something. Duplicate
Yeah.
means already logged na, that is the duplicate. Otherwise simply reject that bug. So like that. Okay. Change its
Yeah.
status to open to, if open na, sometime the fixed right.
Yeah.
Once after some time developer fix that bug na, that
Fix.
change to fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello? Hmm. వస్తున్నా 5 minutes మన అంతే 5 minutes లో వచ్చా ఇంకా 5 minutes. So open and developer work and fix na, that changes is changed to fixed.
Fixed. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again test the bug. Okay, again test the bug, right? QA
Yeah.
test the bug.
Retest. Yeah.
Okay, then retest. Okay, if you verified, close the bug. Otherwise reopen and assign to again developer.
A developer. Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
This is the code. Finally close na means close.
Close.
No, the bug is closed. Okay.
Yeah.
Many bugs are open state. Means what is the many bugs are open state? What is the issue?
Say again. Sorry.
Yeah, bugs are right. 4-5
Yeah.
bugs are right. 4-5 bugs are in the open state. Who is the responsibility to, who is the
Developer.
yeah, developer? Why open state na, already
Yeah.
developer open, so developer fix that bug, right? That is the developer issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So many bugs are fixed.
So
Who is
it's
the responsibility to close the bugs?
tester.
State is fixed.
Tester. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the right. After fixing the bug, you are a responsibility to take and close the bug, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That is your side work is pending.
Yeah.
Got it, na?
Yeah.
Many
Got
bugs
it.
are open source. Development team still working on that area.
Yeah.
Many bugs are fixed or okay, retest or
Develop-
pending. So testing team not working on that area. Got
Yeah.
it, right?
Yeah. Got it.
That's it. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
You understand this, na?
Yeah, I
asked
understood
what is
this
bug
one.
life cycle. Okay. You
Yeah.
explain. So when I log a new bug, at the time of status is new.
Yeah.
So after that assign the bug and the time of status is open.
Open.
Okay.
Then developer.
Open.
Yeah.
Developer check the bug and accepted na, that the time of status is fixed.
Fix.
No,
Then developer resend
Developer fix
to
the
the
bug,
tester for retest. Yeah.
and again we test the retest and verified everything
Then-
is okay.
Then
Otherwise
closed it.
we open and the same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the bug life cycle. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions as of now, how to log a bug? Okay.
I think I understand this one. So you just do the bug ID, then bug title, and then test steps, actual results, then expected results, and the status.
Yeah, you understand, right? What is
Yeah.
the bug that brief discussion about the bug? Okay, step na reproducing bug, that these are the steps you follow.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Actual result, this is the actual application
Yeah.
showing but we are expecting like this as per the client requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
Then client status, already we discussed, right?
Yeah.
Based on status will display here. And
Yeah.
okay, who is the tester automatically take that name and assigning
Is the
you
developer.
assign developer. Okay. You don't
Yeah.
know the developer name, you simply assign it to dev team, team lead team. Okay.
Yeah.
Dev lead. Okay. Severity na, what is the impact for the this bug in the
Yeah.
application, particular bug severe, okay, impact on the, okay. So
Yeah.
and average, these are the severities available: low, medium, high, blocker.
High blocker. Yeah.
Means very minimal test cases, means very low test cases, means with this bug there is no business impact, that is called a low.
Yeah.
Okay, that is medium. High na, very means
It's
blocker, some
been
part
blocked.
blocker.
Yeah.
So
Nothing is working.
blocker means we don't do anything, completely blocked
Yeah.
using this bug. And the priority, who is responsible to set priority? Developer.
Developer.
So many bugs are open, they will fix which one is priority, first priority, P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, set that priority and work based on that priority. Okay.
Yeah.
You require a screenshot is mandatory. Take screenshot and attach that one. You provide any comments, additional comment. No, in the comment section, you can provide additional comments.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Masima. You are available for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, no.
Okay, sure.
Would you be able to do on maybe Sunday?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I will talk to you on Sunday then.
Thank you, Masima.
Thank
Please
you.
read this name. Okay. Google it, bug life cycle, and
Yeah.
read this. Okay.
Do I have any
What is?
homework for me?
I explained at Walmart, or you take any website. Okay.
Yeah.
Take any website and create a test scenarios and test cases. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
You identify test scenarios. Then after that, you can write a test cases. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You take any site. Okay.
Okay.
That's it, Master.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.